Waktang Joshvili. The VPP North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum has urged upon Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondol to reschedule the date of the 8-day-long retrofitting work of Umia Dam and spillway bridges starting March 31st, which falls on Easter Sunday. According to him, this could likely cause inconveniences to people travelling for Easter, in the wake of which there is an appeal to reschedule the date. Nongrum said that the closure of Umia Bridge for 8 days will start on Easter Sunday, flagging concern over individuals travelling on March 31st being affected. The VPP North Shillong MLA said that it would be much appropriate if the closure of the route begins from April 1st to 9th, so as to pave the way for smoother travel experiences and adequate time for public awareness regarding the closure.
Markadi kedal ko bang hapan simbu ke peta paniro halor kani kejing marmat hendai hapan perempu mardi ke sarkar ke balik kelur ke balik malak boros kata hawidai berkati ke jingking damsai ke bangitip pakala expired ke belakut kata ke jingin bar ke bala nangrin ke babu ke jingti ke jing siir ke jingmah ya kaya kayang balada ke government karon ke jikir klik nan lembak ipor ke balik nalo bola tip bonika jingking kalakut kapor jingim joka ban syakri bar kala rembu aku juga por kanu kan bu ke jinge lada ni palat ia ka 6 tons baniat lembak ke jingking tirmar takadau kam de ke jing bakala jong pai ba.
Former MLA of